In a lush, verdant garden bloomed a myriad of colorful flowers, and among them lived a tiny budgerigar named Bluebell. Bluebell was the smallest bird in the garden, but she had a heart as big as the garden itself. One sunny day, a storm rolled in, bringing with it heavy rain and strong winds. All the birds in the garden took shelter, except for Bluebell. She had found a cozy spot under a large leaf, but as the storm grew stronger, she began to worry. I should find a safer place, she thought. But where could I go? She contemplated moving to the nearby oak tree, where the other birds had taken shelter. However, she knew that the oak tree was home to a family of hawks. Just then, a wise old owl named Oliver, who lived in a hollow in the oak tree, noticed Bluebell's dilemma. He flew down to her and said, "Little Bluebell, you must make a choice. The storm is getting worse, and you must find a safe place to ride it out." Bluebell hesitated. She was afraid of the hawks, but she was also afraid of the storm. "I don't know what to do," she said. "I don't want to risk being caught by the hawks, but I don't want to stay here and risk being swept away by the storm." Oliver nodded. "You are wise to be cautious, little one. But remember, sometimes the safest place isn't always the most comfortable. It is important to make a decision based on what is best for your safety, not just your comfort." Bluebell thought for a moment. She knew that the oak tree was a dangerous place, but it was also the safest place in the garden during a storm. With a deep breath, she decided to take her chances and fly to the oak tree. The storm raged on, but Bluebell made it to the oak tree without being caught by the hawks. She huddled in a small hollow, safe and dry. When the storm finally passed, she emerged from her hiding place, feeling grateful for the wisdom of the old owl. From that day on, Bluebell never underestimated the importance of making decisions based on what was best for her safety, even if it meant sacrificing some comfort. And when the other birds in the garden faced difficult decisions, they would remember the little budgerigar who had braved the storm in the oak tree. Moral asterisk: it is important to make decisions based on what is best for our safety, even if it means sacrificing some comfort.